Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best plasma cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a workshop professional, or someone looking to tackle metal fabrication projects, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Reboot RBC 6000D, which is the latest 2025 upgraded version of their 60A plasma cutter. This machine is designed to handle 1/2-inch clean cuts at 120 volts and up to 5/8-inch at 240 volts. It features dual voltage auto detection, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. Its lightweight design at just 8.69 pounds is perfect for portability, making it easy to move between job sites or projects. Whether you're doing automotive repairs or indulging in DIY metal art, this cutter is a solid option. In terms of performance, the Reboot RBC 6000D delivers smooth and efficient cuts, but it's worth noting that the machine is more beginner-friendly than professional-grade. The intuitive controls and clear PSI guidance make it easy for first-time users to get started. However, its cutting speed and precision may fall short when compared to higher-end models, especially for intricate or heavy-duty work. One of its standout features is the US-based support service, which ensures quick troubleshooting and reliable repairs. On the downside, the build quality feels a bit less robust compared to other options, and it has a lower overall rating of 3.8 stars. But for its price of $118.74, it's an affordable entry point for hobbyists and light-duty users. If you're looking for something portable and simple to operate, this could be the one for you. Coming in at number 4 is the flaring 65-amp plasma cutter, which takes the title of the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $108.79. Despite its low price, this machine delivers impressive performance with a maximum severance cut of 4/5 inches and an ideal clean cut of 1/2 inch. Powered by advanced IGBT inverter technology, it's compatible with dual voltage, 120 volts, 240 volts, which adds to its versatility for both DIY enthusiasts and small-scale industrial projects. The flaring cutter is lightweight and portable, weighing only 8.4 pounds, and it comes with a consumable set for added convenience. Its automatic arc control reduces user fatigue, making it user-friendly even for beginners. However, the machine's touch arc technology means the tip must come into contact with the metal, which can lead to faster wear on consumables compared to non-touch systems. While it's not the most durable option on the list, the flaring cutter is an excellent choice for those on a tight budget who need a tool for occasional use. Its design is simple and functional, and its performance is more than adequate for light-duty cutting tasks. Just keep in mind that it's best suited for thinner metals and smaller projects. At number 3, we have the YesWelder Cut 50 DS, a reliable and affordable plasma cutter. Priced at $119.99. This machine boasts a 50-amp output with a clean cutting capacity of up to 1/2 inch at 220 volts and 1/4 inch at 110 volts. It features a dual voltage capability, making it suitable for a variety of power setups. The large digital display is a standout feature, providing real-time feedback on air pressure, voltage, and current, which simplifies operation and enhances precision. The Cut 50 DS is lightweight, weighing just under 12 pounds, and its compact design makes it easy to transport. It includes PT, 2T, and 4T functions for added convenience, allowing users to adjust the cooling and cutting modes based on their needs. While it's marketed as beginner-friendly, its performance is solid enough for intermediate users working on projects like automotive repairs, light fabrication, and DIY art. On the downside, the machine's airflow system, while effective, may require frequent maintenance to prevent clogging. Additionally, its cutting capacity may not be sufficient for heavy-duty applications. However, with a strong track record and a 4.3-star rating, the YesWelder Cut 50 DS strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. In the second spot, we have the Yes Welder Cut 65 DS Pro, a robust and versatile plasma cutter designed for professionals and advanced users. Priced at $255.98, this 65-amp machine offers impressive cutting performance, with a clean cut capacity of up to 3/4 inch at 220 volts and 5/16 inch at 110 volts. Its non-touch pilot arc technology ensures high-quality cuts with minimal slag, making it ideal for working on rough, painted, or rusty surfaces. One of the key features of the Cut 65 DS Pro is its advanced blowback start system, which ensures smooth operation without interfering with nearby electronics. The digital display is another highlight, providing easy access to key parameters and error codes, making it easier to monitor and adjust settings. With its high cutting power and intelligent control technology, this machine is a great choice for intricate metalwork, automotive repairs, and other demanding applications. While the Cut 65 DS Pro is excellent in terms of performance and durability, its higher price point and heavier weight, 21.3 pounds, may make it less appealing for casual users. However, for professionals and those who need reliable, high-precision cutting, this plasma cutter is hard to beat. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Lotos LTP 5800D, a premium plasma cutter priced at $314.98. This machine is a powerhouse, offering a clean cutting capacity of up to 5/8 inch and a maximum severance cut of 3/4 inch. The 58-amp output, combined with a 15% boost in cutting speed, ensures precise and efficient cuts every time. The non-touch pilot arc technology allows for high-quality cuts on rough, painted, or rusty surfaces, while also extending the lifespan of consumables. The LTP 5800D is packed with user-friendly features, including a large LED display, adjustable pilot arc time, and post-flow time settings. These functions not only enhance precision, but also improve the machine's durability. Its dual voltage capability and easy setup process make it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications, from heavy-duty industrial tasks to detailed DIY projects. While the price is on the higher end, the Lotos LTP 5800D offers exceptional value with its advanced features, robust build quality, and 3-year warranty. It's the ideal choice for professionals and serious users who demand top-tier performance and reliability. If you're looking for the best plasma cutter on the market, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect plasma cutter for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.